All right, we've come to the end. You've gotten here. I gave you enough pro signs there for you to get through a conversation. Go anywhere, just search. Go to Google, search ham radio pro signs and abbreviations, and you'll find a bazillion of them. But if you've done what we did, what I asked you to do, and listened a lot, you'll have heard a lot of the pro signs, a lot of the most common ones, and those exotic ones, or those ones that people rarely use. You'll know which ones are which, and that way you'll be able to kind of weed through any conversation. I mean, I hear a pro sign every now and then. I'm like, well, what was that? And I don't know, and I just skip over it. But then I'm a person that um, copies down the code as I receive it, because I want to see later what it was, and I'll forget it if I just try to listen to it and keep it in my head. So I always copy it down on the keyboard. You do whatever's best for you. That's the one thing I'm going to leave you with. Do what's comfortable for you. Improve at the speed that's comfortable for you. If you've learned these letters by rhythm pattern, and you can sing every one of the letters at least 5 or 10 words a minute, then you're going to improve. And the only way to improve your speed is to practice. There's no way around that. Practice. Listen, then send. Listen, then send. And there's a big deal. There's bashful people. When you're a new ham, you're bashful to get on the microphone. You're going to be bashful to hit that key. But don't be. There's plenty of other people out there right in your shoes that are hitting the key the same way. They're learning. They're trying to learn. They're embarrassed, but they're going to pound that key, and that's what you need to do. So keep pounding the key. As I said, don't hesitate to contact me. You can contact me either on the YouTube page, or you can email me, and I will try to help any way I can. If we need to set up a sked and maybe try to send a little back and forth, I'll be happy to do that too. If there's millions of you out there that do that, it might take a while, but I'll try to get around to every single one that I can, I promise. So that brings us to the end. I hope you're learning. I hope you'll continue to learn. This is a dying art, but don't let it die all the way. It's something that's important to keep alive, and I honestly believe that. And the reason I do it is because it's fun, and I enjoy it very much. It's just fun to me. Making dits and dahs and talking to somebody on the other side of the world, that's a lot of fun. So enjoy it. So please hit like and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. That helps me out a whole lot. Honestly, this is my part-time job. It's all I got. I'm an old retired guy and can't do much else anymore. So give me a break, all right? If you want to, you can leave a tip right down there at the bottom. But I'm not going to beg for money. But it's possible if you want to do that. So thank you very much for watching this course. Let me know what you think in the comments. And contact me if you need to. So this is W5FIV 73, my new friends, and I wish you all the very best.